Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your devices. Today, we're diving into something simple yet essential: how to sign out of your Samsung account in 2025. Whether you're prepping for a device switch, tightening up your privacy, or just curious about the updated interface, this guide has got you covered. Let's jump right in. First things first, grab your Samsung device. We're talking about phones, tablets, or even smart TVs here. Start by unlocking your device and opening the Settings app. You know, that gear icon that's usually on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the Accounts and Backup section. This is where Samsung keeps all your account details nice and organized. Tap on Accounts and Backup and then select Accounts. You'll see a list of all the accounts linked to your device, including your Samsung account. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, look for the option that says Samsung account or something similar. Samsung might tweak the UI a bit by 2025, but it should be straightforward. Once you're in there, find the Sign Out or Remove Account button. It could be under a menu like Manage Accounts or directly on the page. Before you proceed, double-check if you want to sign out completely, as this will log you out of all Samsung services on that device. Hit Sign Out, and you might get a confirmation prompt. Just follow the on-screen instructions to confirm. And voila, you're signed out. If you're using a newer Samsung device in 2025, you might notice some AI-driven prompts to help you back up data or switch accounts seamlessly. One quick tip. After signing out, remember to restart your device for a fresh start, especially if you're handing it over to someone else. That wraps up our guide. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech hacks, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.